Hello kids, how are you? This is Shipra again with my new DIY activity. And before I do my new activity, let us just do the rhyme. Yes, the simple rhyme. So here we go. Let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. Yes, I, Shipra, on behalf of Yellow Class, welcome you for a nice DIY activity, which is going to be a science experiment. So excited? Great. Let's go ahead. What all things do we need? Water, 2 glass tumblers, plain water. This is plain water bottle where I have taken plain water, 2 glasses, salt, and lemon. I have taken 2 lemons. Let's see what we are going to do. We are going to add water to the glass. We'll fill it half, not complete kids, and we'll add water to the other glass also. Again, we'll fill it half and leave it little empty, little more than half, or half will also do, but little more than half will be a good option. And what we'll see, we'll put one of the lemons in the plain water. So what did you notice? I'm going to do it again. The lemon just went inside. It got dipped in the water. Now let us just see in the other glass. Let us just do what we are going to do. We are just going to add a little more water to make the things more clear. And I am adding salt to one of my waters. A good ample amount of salt, and we'll just quickly stir it. So now we have mixed the salt properly. Now let us see what happens. Earlier we noticed that when we added lemon to the plain water, it went deep inside. Let's see what happens when I add lemon to the mixture of water and salt. So you can see kids, when it was just water, it did not go inside. It did go inside. When it was just water, it went inside because lemon is denser than water. But when we added salt to it, the density of water increased than the lemon, and that's why this lemon is floating on the top. So by adding salt, the density of water has increased more than lemon, and so the lemon is floating, while in the plain water, the density of lemon is more, and that's why it goes down. It just settles down. It sinks deep inside. So this is an experiment to show you about density. Okay, I hope kids, this is a simple experiment which you can try. You can tell your friends as a magic. And this is the time to say bye. Do share your comments, do share your pictures, and we are going to meet again. So bye from Shipra.